high control rates. We're most experienced with radiosurgery, treatment that may well improve your life by hitting your cancer. I'm Dr. Lederman. For a free booklet DVD or appointment, call 212 Choices. 212 Choices. Most insurances, Medicare, Medicaid accepted. 1384 Broadway at 38th. Call Dr. Lederman. 212 Choices. 212 Choices.
Hi, this is meteorologist Steve Pelletieri. It's summertime. It's time to have fun and enjoy the day. But of course, it's also time for the sweet, delicious New Jersey blueberries. It's New Jersey blueberry harvest time, and they're here at your local grocers. Remember, New Jersey blueberries are special, right here from our own area. And freshness are known worldwide. Buy New Jersey blueberries today. Enjoy them now, anytime, for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a snack. New Jersey blueberries are great anytime. I use them in my almond flour blueberry muffins, low in carb, high in protein intake. Use them in pancakes, fruit salad, and part of your dinner dessert. With ice cream and sherbet, you can't get a fresher, tastier, anytime treat. New Jersey blueberries at your groceries now, but they won't last very long because they taste so good. So buy them today. This message is brought to you by the New Jersey Blueberry Growers Association. New Jersey blueberries, they're here.
New York's Caribbean Voice, 93.5 WVIP.
All right, we're live. Please. We're live. We're live.
What's with echo?
We're now
Oh, it's
more echo
gone?
now.
Okay.
All right.
How are you?
Great.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to 93.5 WVIP. This is definitely Link Up Radio, and we are across the entire tri-state area. And, of course, we are here broadcasting to the masses. And this is where we actually, of course, have come together and created what's called the Brad and Squeeze Show. An attorney and, what do you want to call me? I was going to say something else, but, I said, let me not say that.
Like 3 different things came through my mind.
Exactly.
They were all negative.
Exactly. The same thing. I'm like, no, let me just stop.
I could have been like, let's just.
You know what? Let's just get back to immigration. So, ladies and gentlemen, now is the time to call us and get your immigration questions answered. We're on 93.5 FM. We're on Facebook, David Squeeze Annakie, Law Offices of Spar and Bernstein, and also, of course, on YouTube at Spar and Bernstein. All right? So call us now at 1-800-529-5465. Let's rev up the lines. 1-800-529-5465.
Actually, Stargirl had the worst insult of the day so far on you.
Oh, it's too early.
All right.
It's way too early.
If I read this, you're
I
gonna,
saw it.
if I read this, you're going to walk off the set.
Let's not read it.
I won't read it then.
Don't.
I won't read
No,
it.
don't read it. Because it's way too early. We just started the show. It's 5 o'clock. Well, it's after 9. Welcome to the Brad and Squeeze Show. We're just about ready to answer your asking every immigration questions. We're at one on the social media platforms that's watching yours truly, David Squeeze Annakie, and the attorney, Brad Bernstein, to share. May I see? May I see it?
No, I can say it. It's G-rated.
No.
It's on Facebook. Everyone else sees it. It's
Good.
not like it's.
Well, let's not publicize
Let's
it.
not publicize
unless I
it.
see it,
Let me
and I get the approval from my attorney.
Let me just say, Stargirl, we are equal. Okay. Squeeze can't do it without me, and I can't do it without Squeeze.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
All right? That's right?
Right.
That must have been on your page.
It was on my page.
Of course. I'm
And
not going to read everything off that people say on my page,
And she still says she loves you.
I love her, too. All right?
Good morning, RJ has now... Right. And good morning to everybody. Good morning. Switched over from Periscope to YouTube.
Mm-hmm. And
our one viewer on Periscope moved over to YouTube. Our one consistent viewer on Periscope.
Well, that's very nice.
Yes.
Okay. At least they know what time it is.
That's right.
All
right, so let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Just revving up the lines here. And I want to welcome SMG. We were lambasted you for a few seconds, not very long, but we did.
Yeah,
apologies.
We said we replaced one SMG with another SMG. They're both lazy and late. It's unbelievable.
I never said that. He said it.
I said it.
All right. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen.
But if you were on top, you would neither have been lazy or late. It's just the fact that you are 3 minutes. That's the only reason why. That is,
Brad, let's go to immigration. Let's go to immigration. We said that we weren't going to talk about anything. We're going to go straight to immigration. We can't help ourselves.
And by the way, little Nikki's here. She's making a cameo appearance.
No, I'm not.
Yes, she's gone on to bigger and brighter pastures. She says her star is way too big for our show now.
Yeah, she has grown.
She has grown.
Oh, my
and
goodness.
she's now making. Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard. Wonderful.
Making paid appearances now.
Okay. I want to say much respect to all my marketing staff out there. The marketing staff is the greatest marketing staff in the world, and that's the folks who are on social media sharing.
Yes.
That's the marketing staff we have. The
Thank
folks,
you.
you know.
They are.
I mean, listen.
What do you call them?
It's grassroots marketing.
The
Grassroots marketing.
The grassroots.
Like
the
Marcia
grassroots.
Martin, Tanish, Monica, Lyndon, Rosemary Broomfield. That's the true marketing staff right there.
You have to say thank you for the grassroots.
And that's what I'm saying.
Right.
I'm not going to call them grassroots.
Why don't we just? Well, we can't call them roots because that was taken by the Tonight Show.
No,
Yeah.
that's like the technical term for it.
The technical term
It's
for it.
grassroots marketing.
I'm going to say thanks to them for the guerrilla marketing.
I don't want to call my viewers gorillas. I'm sorry.
No, I said guerrilla marketing.
I don't. Yeah, but it just sounds like no. We're not going to call them.
They're a monster at marketing.
Yes.
All right, they don't play.
All right.
They share it on everyone's timeline pages and groups, and they do the same in the law offices of Spar and Bernstein.
That is
And they don't take any adverse comment from anyone's page
That is true.
to publicize or broadcast it to make it put down another.
That is true.
They are very professional.
All right. Let's go. Andy's been waiting.
I like how he danced around it.
Let's
Let's go to Andy. Let's go to Andy.
No.
Andy, how you doing?
Well, Andy hasn't got on the radio yet. Now,
Put Andy
now
on, man.
Andy's on now.
Andy, how are you? And thank you so much for choosing Link Up Radio and the Brad and Squeeze Show. On the Brad and Squeeze Show.
How you doing, Squeeze?
Doing wonderful, man. Doing wonderful. Keeping my head up. Trying to get paid here.
That as well. You guys are doing a very good job.
Stop lying.
You guys.
Stop lying.
You're doing a good job. I
We
listen
are?
to you every day.
How can you ask me if I watch Power? Yeah,
Every
anyway.
day.
Anyway, inside joke. All right.
Squeeze is screaming. He's got lots of energy.
Yeah, I got lots.
Do you know I came?
You gave me the energy.
Do you know I came?
Because
in
I
the
didn't have the
building?
energy before.
Tony, the doorman in the building of of the office building.
Yeah.
He says Squeeze is already up there. He's pacing, waiting for you. I'm like, wow, you must have had a lot of energy this morning. Even Tony knows.
You know why you gave me the energy?
Why?
The reason why you gave me the energy is I called Zenmar at 7 o'clock this morning. I said, what's going on, man? He's like, yeah, I'm outside and the door is locked and I don't have my key. What happened? I gave it to someone else. I'm like, you're the vice president of the company. You can't get in your own company.
Well, why is he giving the keys to
Brittany? Beats the hell out of me. Anyway, let's get to the caller.
Andy, what's up?
Hi, Brad. How you doing, Brad?
Fantastic. What's going on?
All right. I got two quick questions for you.
Yes.
My spouse is about to file for me.
Wait.
In 2005.
Okay. Ooh.
Answer the question, Brad.
Shoot.
Answer the
Okay,
question,
now
Brad.
93.5 will be working. I was connected to Link Up Media, and Link Up Media didn't do anything about it. So now 90,
How'd you know?
Because someone just said 93.5 is not working.
So you connected to the wrong place.
I did, yes. Nobody told me. Nobody alerted me until the grassroots told me.
All right. Can you answer the gentleman's
All right,
question?
so we're on 93.5 now. Okay, yes, go ahead.
All right, Brad. My question is
We should
this.
check.
Go ahead.
My U.S. citizen spouse is about to file for me, and in 2014, her tax returns was about 8,000 and change. In 2015, 9,000 and change, and then in 2016, it's 28,000 and change. I just want to ask: is it good? Is it good to you to sponsor me?
Yeah, she's good to sponsor you. Worst comes to worst, you can get an affidavit support from somebody else. Why did her income go up so much in the last year? What happened? She got a better job?
Yeah, she was doing two jobs at the same time.
Okay, so if her income's $28,000 for the last year, and she can show two consistent jobs for the last year, and she can show that these jobs will be consistent in the future, which would just be two good job letters, it should be okay. But worst comes to worst, you get an affidavit support from somebody else.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. All right, and then thank you. Then number two, if you don't have all the supporting documents, like say a bank statement and stuff, can you still go ahead and then show it at the interview? Is it possible?
If you don't have a bank statement, you don't have to submit the bank statement for the affidavit support, but you do have to submit the job letter and the tax returns on the affidavit support when you originally filed.
Right, I get you. I'm talking with the I-130. like showing a bona fide relationship.
You don't need to show the bona fide relationship until your interview. You don't have to submit any of that.
Okay. All right. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. All right. Hopefully we're on 93.5 now.
Yeah.
You know what would have been nice?
What would have been nice? If we check it ourselves?
Well, not only that, but maybe somebody in the
Group?
In the group.
That's what you get for not adding Kyle.
Or somebody in the our call center. We have 8 people answering calls. They're supposedly listening too. We have, I don't know how many people down the link up. There's like 15 people on the payroll.
Maybe they're still locked out.
And not one person even goes and
50?
listens.
No, not 15, like 50.
50. And not one, and not one
57 to be exact.
And not one person goes to listen if we're on the radio. Amazing. But I believe we are on 93.5 right now. Please, if someone on Facebook can check for us, have our grassroots check for us. 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529.
It's going to be a great day.
You want to know why it's a great day?
Because we woke up this morning.
And Kyle showed up.
And people are calling 1-800-529-5465 to get their questions answered. So, Brad, let's go to the next call, the next immigration question.
It's a great day because Kyle's here.
Okay, wonderful. Let's go to...
No, you don't think so.
Okay, hold on. That's interesting.
So.
I think so.
What does that call say? It says... Read what it says.
Read what?
Line 2. What is it saying?
I don't know. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, this is Zelda. I called last week about immigration. I'm sorry.
Here comes Zelda. How are you doing, Zelda? How are you, Zelda?
With the radiator,
yes.
Zelda?
I'm afraid so. I did have a couple follow-up questions.
Sure.
But first, I really want to clarify something about that.
What?
Brad, you were right the first time. Literally.
Fixing the rad. Thank you. Thank you, Zelda.
Let's hear what she says. Let's hear what she says. I want to hear what she says. Yeah. Go on,
yes,
Zelda.
He replaced the radiator in my Kia Sedona. It took him 9 hours because he's not a mechanic. He's never done that before, and he even burnt his hand. So, bless his heart. Anyway, I did have a question about, okay, so we're likely going to have an intervention in a few weeks from now. Suppose it's successful. We got him on board.
Wait. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
You're having a girl. I remember the call. You're having a girlfriend intervention, saying this is not.
No. Actually, in fact, I don't want to be there.
Okay. So what is the intervention for?
It is to show him that he is becoming a victim of marriage fraud.
Okay.
Yeah. Although the evidence that we're going to show him, it's not going to be court ready. What we are planning actually is after we convince him, we want him to get his own evidence because he has greater access to her.
Okay.
So the people, yes.
Is there a question in any of this?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so is it in his best interest to get, if he gets an annulment, she gets no money at all?
If you get an annullment's based on fraud, that there was a fraud in the marriage, that she only married him for a green card and no other reason. An annulment, she would not only not get any money, the marriage never happened. You can't get money from a marriage that never happened.
Okay. All right. And another reason why we think it's best that he gets his own evidence is we want it very apparent that it is one-sided marriage fraud and he was not in on it.
Right.
Because we don't want him going to jail. So what should he be on the lookout for as far as gathering enough evidence to show that this is what she's been up to?
I don't know.
But hold on. Let me ask you something. Has someone been having a conversation with this individual, and does he understand or believe or thinks that he is actually in a fraudulent marriage for the green card situation? Because if he's not in on this, based on what you're saying, this would be a complete waste of time on your part and the intervention team.
The intervention is because he doesn't realize it. You know, it's like when you have a drug intervention, you don't realize you're on drugs.
Right.
So the intervention is to say, hey, pal, wake up. This woman's using you. But now okay, so now you have the intervention. But, every case is different. I don't know, how do you read somebody's mind unless she has another boyfriend or unless she's, doing something else? I don't know. How would you figure out whether somebody's in love with you or not? How do you figure that out, little Nikki? Little Nikki, you have any suggestions?
Ladies
I
know.
don't.
Women
Not
know.
for- I can't
Women know.
give her any advice on how to find out.
You can't. Give
Us
her
men
any
sometimes
advice.
are stupid.
That's
We
how
don't
to
realize what we're in.
find
How would you find out what's in her mind? I don't know. Unless she has a boyfriend on the side.
Well, there is apparent infidelity. We're filling in the spaces right now as far as, how long it's been going on or, where he's coming from. Because oftentimes with marriage fraud scammers, they will often have like a boyfriend already. And once they get their citizenship, they will turn around and sponsor them.
Interesting. Wow.
So that's a concern that we're exploring. And
that has happened. I've seen many times where people have gotten married, got their green cards, got divorced, became citizens, and then
Turn around and do
turned
something.
around and did something else.
But you said that's something that we, operative word in there, are exploring. Who's we?
Well, I don't want to.
She doesn't want to divulge the intervention.
Oh, okay.
Team. She's not ready to divulge the intervention team. But
Yeah.
All right.
is there another question besides
What
annulment?
can Brad do for you? What can my attorney friend here do for you?
Well, I think what we want to do, again, we want to make it very clear that it was one-sided. Is there anything that we have to be careful about as far as bringing it to court and not?
There's no court. There's an intervention where you're going to sit him on a couch. There's no judge there or anything.
Okay. I'm sorry. I misspoke, perhaps. When he takes his stuff over.
No, you don't have to. You don't have to worry about anything. If in terms of him getting an annulment in a matrimonial action, that's not going to trigger any criminal any criminal investigation of him.
Right. Is there a time frame that we're working with? Like, say that he doesn't believe us and he goes on another 2 years doing
The
this.
longer it takes to file for your annulment, the less likely it is a judge will issue an annulment. You could always get divorced, obviously.
All right, so there's a kind of a ticking clock about this.
Yeah. I don't know if it's
All
a
right.
ticking clock. Well, if you want an annulment, I would assume there's a ticking clock. But
Okay.
it's not, people have gotten divorces annulled 2 years after the fact. It just becomes more difficult the more entrenched the relationship is.
Okay.
All right.
Even if he just gets a divorce, the affidavit that he signed pledging financial responsibility for, I don't know, however many years it says, is there a way for him to get out of that?
No, but if she were to ever, assuming that this is marriage fraud, and she was to ever do anything on that affidavit support, his defense would be it was marriage fraud. I was defrauded into signing this agreement.
I see.
All right, Zelda?
Okay, well, all right, thank you so much.
All right, now, okay, and tell Squeeze not to have a dirty mind next time. He went off on a tangent. All right.
Well, you know what, you guys, it was funny.
Yes.
It was funny, and,
No, you all should be thanking me for having that kind of a mind.
Yeah.
All right?
Sick. He's a sicko.
No,
Zelda.
it has to do with just humor and
Yeah.
making the day a lot better.
All right, Zelda, thank you for calling. All right, good
No
luck
problem,
with that. Okay.
Thanks.
All
Bye.
right. You
Brad,
see?
have you been seeing the comments on Facebook?
No, Brad,
You see?
you're missing the point. She meant the radiator. Not the radiator, but the radiator. She meant it, and he got his hand burnt.
Oh,
Yes,
come on!
he still doesn't get it. He's the one that's still in the dark.
Come on!
You're being so.
You just said that Honda Sonata.
Well, I'm with Squeeze. I am 100% with Squeeze.
Brad.
When she said he's not a mechanic, I just took that as he's inexperienced at the time.
Brad, you don't, Brad, for someone who I respect with a great memory, it seemed like your memory is only with immigration. She said the guy came over to the house and fixed her radiator.
And now
The first time.
I know. So she's changing it. Now she's
Because
saying
she
now she's embarrassed.
it's a euphemism that she's using.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? So she's
So
being.
you believe the first time she was really, they were going at it.
It was a radiator.
They were going at it. With
It was
each
a
other.
radiator.
Right.
You understand what?
There was 9 hours of.
Let me rephrase that. It was a radiator. Get it? Radiator.
Yes,
Stop it. Where's
please.
Michelle?
Where's Michelle?
Michelle, come on, Michelle Obama.
All right, man. Let's get back to the calls.
All right. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. You know what's so funny? Tanisha is saying bye, Felicia.
You don't want to.
I just started hearing that.
I have a
the last
ton of
couple
comments
weeks,
on my
bye,
page.
Felicia.
I don't even want to read them. I don't even want to read these
my
comments.
goodness, Brad.
Listen, I'm going to thank Zelda for being so entertaining.
I never heard that
all right?
before.
That's from
It's from the 90s.
That's from Friday, right?
Yeah, it's from Friday.
1-800-529-5465.
Yeah.
He hasn't.
1-800-529-5465. Call us with your immigration questions. I'm trying to stay on track with immigration.
Yeah.
Remember, if you got questions about green card, citizenship, work permits, maybe you know someone who's out of status and would like to figure out how to stay in the United States. Maybe someone's on a student visa and want to do some kind of adjustment. Can they? Well, listen up. Brad Bernstein is an immigration attorney, not a comedian, okay, like Kyle, who also happens to be SMG. All right?
Kyle is an SMG and a comedian. I'm just a lawyer.
And a lawyer. That's it. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Once again, 1-800-LawLink.
I was just reading the comments.
Don't read them because I am ignoring mine because I just wrote one line. You're all a mess. That's what I wrote on my page and just left it at that because if you follow my viewers, oh man, forget it. Deidre, how you doing? Anyway, let's get to a question. A mother has her green card for 5 years. Her daughter is age 16 and has hers for 4 years. They live together. Sound like a math problem. If the mom applies for her citizenship, does the daughter get hers automatically? She has to apply for, or she has to apply for hers separately.
I'm not going to.
Her citizenship. Does the daughter get hers automatically? She has to apply for, or she has to apply for hers separately.
Nope, I still don't get it.
Okay, a mother has her green card for 5 years. Her daughter is age 16 and has hers for 4 years. They live together. If the mom applies for her citizenship, does the daughter get her citizenship automatically?
If the daughter is under 18 years of age, when the mother becomes a citizen, the daughter will automatically become a citizen, whether she had the green card for 1 year, 2 years, 4 years, or 10 years.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
The daughter is 16, so evidently the daughter is going to get her citizenship. Okay.
It would have been great if you're like, and the mother went to the store and bought 8 apples. She gave the
That's
daughter
why I said it
4
sounded
apples.
like a math problem.
She gave the
you know?
daughter 4 apples. If Mr. Peabody wanted 2 of those apples.
All right. Okay, go ahead.
TC on Facebook, Mr. Brad, is it necessary to send bank statements and Social Security printouts to the NVC?
Yes, you have to do it with your affidavit of support.
Squeeze?
Okay. All right. So we can proceed to the next question, which simply says, good morning to the Brad and Squeeze Show. The Link Up team, how are you all doing? That's not a question. All right. Go ahead, little Nikki, while I search through the roll-off.
That's all I have for now.
My friend got sent back home due to working on his B1 visa. His girlfriend currently filed a fiancé visa, did the interview, got denied. They said the waiver isn't in the system, even though they had a copy of it. Is that still possible to deny him?
Yes, because you can't do a waiver on the fiancé visa. You need to actually go down, marry the man, and and apply for the green card for misrepresentation waiver. You understand, Kyle?
I understand.
All right, so what has to happen now?
Well, you're the attorney.
They need to make it official.
They need to make it official.
He needs to put a ring on it.
They need to put a ring on it and then do it again.
Exactly.
Right.
Would you?
Put a ring on it?
Do it again.
Sure.
1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465.
Brad, that was the perfect time for you to say bye, Felicia.
Bye, Felicia.
Exactly.
Put a ring on it. Bye,
Felicia. Is that when I would use it?
I feel like he's going to be using it wrongly, just saying bye, Felicia, all over the place.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a new one. What's the difference between a tax transcript and record of account?
Bye, Felicia.
That was actually perfect.
1-800-529-5465. That's the number to call with your immigration question.
All right.
Well, are you going to answer the question?
Right.
All right. I was just being funny. Say again now.
What's the difference between tax transcript and record of account? From Nanani.
The record of an account?
Got to ask an accountant that.
I have no. A tax transcript is a printout from the IRS.
Right, that much I know.
I'm not sure what a record of account means.
I'm assuming bank statements?
Maybe. Maybe. I don't know. 1-800-529-5465. Believe it or not, since we got started late on the radio, maybe people didn't think we were on the radio. I believe we're on the radio now.
Has anyone checked
no
to see if we're on 93.5?
Oh, yeah. Test call.
Okay. 1-800-529-5465. Once again, do remember that you can reach out to Brad and Squeeze as the morning jumps off, just like it always has.
I don't know what happened to all my comments on YouTube. They just all disappeared.
You have to open the chat.
I did open the chat.
Don't want to go back to that YouTube conversation. I really do not.
Everyone who's watching on YouTube, make their comment again. They just all disappeared on my screen. And everybody on Facebook, please share with your friends and family. And everybody listening on WVIP 93.5 FM, please call right now, 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465. It is way too early to do page 21.
Got a question.
You do have a question.
A friend of mine just hit me up. Direct question.
Hit you up.
All right. What kind of visa would you suggest or opt for an individual who plays professional basketball in, let's say, hypothetically speaking, Australia? The individual is a native from Nigeria, and he plays basketball in Australia and wants to come to the United States. Okay.
Does he have a contract to play here?
He just got a contract to actually do business here in the area in the capacity of basketball.
But he's doing business.
Yeah, business in the capacity of basketball. What would you recommend?
I don't know, because I would need. There's an O1 visa.
Right, I know about.
Which is extraordinary ability, but that would be extraordinary ability as a basketball player.
So you would have to.
He's not coming here to play basketball.
Right.
There's a P1, which is that you're joining a team that has some sort of recognition, and you have recognition.
Right.
So that would be somebody who is maybe in the minor leagues, or maybe the 12th man off the bench on the team. Maybe not necessarily Michael Jordan. But if, let's say, for example, Michael Jordan is in Australia and he's coming to the United States, he also has extraordinary ability as a businessman. He put out a shoe that sold $1 billion.
Right.
Okay. So what has this guy done in business for extraordinary ability?
Okay.
I don't know. So maybe he just needs a B1 visa to come to a business meeting. I don't know. We would need to meet more. From Australia, if he's actually Australian, there's an E3 visa only for Australia and Chile. Okay. Why Australia and Chile get special visas? Why?
What is the E3? Expound on the E3.
Special deals that Australia and Chile has.
Expound on the E3 visa.
It's the same as an H-1B, except there's no. It's the same basis as an H-1B. You're a professional worker, except on H-1Bs you have a limit of 60,000 worldwide, but as many people who qualify for H-1B from Australia and Chile can come in on E3s.
What's going on there?
Yeah.
That's very interesting.
Australia and Chile.
What's going on?
Why Chile and Australia?
Outback Steakhouse and Chili's.
We probably have some military base in Australia and Chile.
Yeah, maybe.
1-800. But still, what would you recommend for this person? A business? I mean, they're coming here to start a business.
Right now, I would suggest a B1 visa just as a businessman coming to check out the terrain.
Okay, and then after that, they could do an adjustment later on.
They can do an adjustment. They can do an E2, which is a treaty trader visa.
Right. Which sounds like the one because
probably way to go because he's making some sort of investment in the business here.
Right.
Right. And so his basketball has nothing to do with it whatsoever.
Okay. Although that's the capacity he's going to be practicing.
He's not practicing.
Meaning doing the business in.
No. Yeah, but
he's not playing. Right.
But he's not playing.
Right.
All right. It's like saying, I'm a famous chef, but I've never run a restaurant in my life. You can't come here to run a restaurant because you don't know anything about running a restaurant. You only can come here to cook.
Yeah, but he plays basketball.
It doesn't matter, but he never ran a business.
Okay.
Just because he could dribble a ball doesn't mean he knows how to run a business.
Okay. All right.
That is accurate.
Is that accurate?
30 for 30 broke.
We have seen that episode.
Yes.
Right.
And what company could sponsor him?
I don't know what he's doing.
Okay. I can't say what he's doing because that will be divulging the.
All right, we'll talk off the air.
Good.
Buju.
Did you say Buju?
Buju.
Yo, tell Squeeze to the show is to the radio listeners, man.
Okay.
Buju.
Yes, Brad.
What's up?
I got a. Hello.
Hello.
It says I shouldn't ask questions for anybody.
Yeah. Hello.
I got a question.
What is it?
About and I know if your parents become a citizen and you are 16. You automatically qualify. But my question is, for those who don't go out and do the application with the National Visa Center, how long is there a cutoff time for you to still be a citizen?
Well, the cutoff time is 18 years old. So if you're after 18, if you're living in the United States with a green card with your parent in their legal custody and your parent becomes a citizen, you're a citizen.
Right.
Up until your 18th birthday.
But after your 18th birthday, if you didn't go and do the proper
it does. Even if you didn't do the proper paperwork, as long as those things happen before 18, you're a citizen. So it's not it's not the day in which you do the proper paperwork. It's a day in which all of these things happen.
Okay.
Got it?
All right. Thank you, Brad.
You're welcome.
Okay. Bye.
I wonder if no, can't be.
Wonder what?
Boujou.
It's not Boujou.
No, couldn't be.
It's not the Boujou that you're thinking.
Couldn't be.
No.
He's in jail.
Yeah, he's incarcerated.
Right, but maybe he can call from jail.
Can you say his name one more time?
Boujou.
Okay.
Am I saying it wrong?
You're saying it properly.
I am saying it properly.
Exactly how it's spelled.
Squeeze, say it. You say it, Squeeze.
Boujou. You say Boujou. Bonjour.
Like you're saying Boo Jew, but he's like Butcher.
Yeah, because I'm used to scaring Jews all the time. Boujou.
1-800-529-5465. Let's go to Caroline. Yes. Caroline, what is your question, Caroline? I'm waiting for Mr. Bernstein, the attorney, to actually push the button to put you on air, Caroline, as we stand by for Mr. Bernstein to push the button.
All right.
Caroline, how are you?
Yes, hi, good morning.
What's happening?
Sorry about the wait.
Okay, it's okay. I must say, first thing, you've been doing a great job, and I do appreciate that. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
I have a question about being a citizen filing for a marriage child overseas. Yes. How long does it take?
Being a citizen filing for a married child over the age of 21 is about 7 years.
About 10 years?
20 years, I hope not. 7 years.
7?
7.
Okay. All right.
What else can I help you with?
I think that is it so
That's
far.
it.
That's
Do you know how to proceed to file for this child? You know what you need to do?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I know the paperwork, but it's kind of like it's a workout. But if I had somebody who is like you, professional, I know that it be done in a proper way.
All right. So why don't you make an appointment to come in and see me? It's the I-130, but why don't you come in and see me, and we'll talk about it more. Hold on one second, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, my darling. Thank you so much for tuning in. Once again, folks, you're in tune to the Brad and Squeeze Show, where we're answering immigration questions. I do have a good attorney, Brad Bernstein, who can answer just about any U.S. immigration questions. I have yet to see him stumped. All right?
Except, well, no, I was not stumped on your basketball player turned shoe.
Nope.
Man.
No.
What is he making?
He's not making a shoe.
He's from Australia.
Yeah.
He plays basketball.
Mm-hmm.
Australians, basketball.
I played against a professional basketball player from Australia.
And?
Dominated her.
Her.
Yeah.
Yeah. Her was the optimal word.
Precisely.
Yes. All right. 1-800.
I'm into dominatrix also.
I hope your girlfriend doesn't know this. 1-800-529-54.
Everybody is funny. You're all hilarious. You're all hilarious. All right. 1-800-529-5465. I just get a funny feeling that even the O'Shaughnessy's listen to us.
I don't know.
Because they think we're funny.
Nah, they don't. They never laugh at anything.
I beg to differ. Maybe I'll call David on his phone.
You know what they laugh?
Maybe I call Cindy or Don.
You know what they laugh? Their banker shows up and they say, "Mr. O'Shaughnessy, look at all this money in your bank account from Squeeze and Brad," and then they laugh and they go, "Ha ha."
No, and then they call him and said, "But you still have some more for us." We're gonna get kicked
Cat
off.
has a question on YouTube.
What? Absolutely. And by the way, just to remind folks,
why am I not getting?
Can we remind everybody? Please share on social media. Please ask your question on social media with everyone, all right? Once again, we're truly here to answer your immigration questions. 1-800-529-5465. We've got little Nikki, who is taking the place of Kyle today while he's taking the place of little Nikki, all right? And we've got Brad, who holds on to that bottle for dear life.
Dear life.
All right? And he's ready to answer your question.
You're holding on to it quite tightly.
What?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Like you.
I'm glad you mentioned that.
Let's go to
I'm
Steven.
glad you mentioned that.
Can we go to Steven?
Why?
Andre's ready also.
I have to hold on to something very tightly.
Okay.
All right, it has nothing to do with Michelle Obama. I fidget a lot, so.
I noticed.
Right, so I hold on to the bottle. I don't
Just your
fidget.
grip.
But now I don't fidget.
You still fidget though, a little bit.
Not as much.
Can we go? Can we get to Little Nikki's question? We got Steven, we got Andre there standing by for their immigration questions to be answered, and Squeeze is attempting to get the attorney to answer those questions after Little Nikki asks her question.
Thank you.
With all due respect.
Cat F on YouTube. Does your office do prenups in other states other than New York?
Connecticut.
Only Connecticut, Cat. Sorry.
Okay.
Connecticut and New York.
All right.
At the present time.
Keep holding the top of that bottle, and let's go to Steven.
Steven.
Good morning, Brad.
Good morning, Steven.
How are you?
Good morning, Steve. Yes.
Yes, sir.
I want to ask a question.
What?
Yeah. I want to ask a question. The question is, whenever citizens fight for the kids and the kids come in the country, are they automatically a citizen?
If they're under 18 and they're coming to live in the physical and legal custody of the parent, yes.
Yes. Okay, so they don't need to get their green card, right?
No, they would get their certificate of citizenship. They would enter as citizens.
They enter as
I'm sorry?
They enter as a citizen, right?
They enter as a citizen if they're going to live in the physical and legal custody of the biological parent.
Oh my God! That's why these people don't want to send me the green card for my kids. They let me pay for it so long, and they don't want to send it.
Why? What?
Oh my
I don't.
God.
What? What's? Oh my God! I don't understand what he's saying, Squeeze.
Yeah, the pay for the green card for my kids.
Yeah.
For the longest now, and keep calling, and it's not coming.
Who are you calling?
The immigration where I pay for it.
You're paying what? Who'd you pay to immigration? What person you calling at immigration? There's nobody to speak to at immigration that's going to help you.
No. I pay through the site, and when I call them, they say they mailed it to me, and it go back.
All right, you went to a website that may or may not have been a legitimate website, but it's certainly not the immigration service. And you paid somebody to send you a form.
Yeah.
Come see me.
Yeah, no, what happened? It's the same site. No, it's the same site that I used to bring them here. I paid on.
Something sounds fishy there.
I don't know I'm not sure then what you're saying.
Here's what.
There's no site to go to speak. These are all commercial, public, companies that are trying to.
He said he paid on the website, and they didn't send him the green card.
I'm not sure what he's doing.
And I got the receipt too and stuff like that.
You have a receipt. Then bring in the receipt to me. Bring in the receipt to me. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Hold on. 1-800-529-5465.
Maybe he filled out the form on USCIS and they have a receipt notice back, but there's nobody to call at USCIS that's going to tell you what's going on with
Is there any money you have to pay on a website?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But I don't think you can fill out the I-130 as far as I recall on the website and pay for it.
All right.
I don't think you can.
1-800-529-5465. Once again, if you're just joining us, welcome to the Brad and Squeeze Show. We're taking your immigration questions right here at 1-800-529-5465. Also on Facebook, David Squeeze Annakie. Law offices of Spar and Bernstein. YouTube, Spar and Bernstein. Place your questions now. Place your bets now. All right, let's go to Nikki.
Mikey on Facebook. I lost all my papers, passport, I-94, everything I tried, FOIA. They can't seem to find any information on me. Anyway, without this information, I can't get a green card. I arrived in 1988.
You need an attorney.
Without the information, you can still get a green card, but yes, you need an attorney. There's lots of different ways to do FOIAs. There's USCIS FOIA, Freedom of Information Act request. There's a I-102, which is a replacement of an I-94. You can do a CBP FOIA, Customs Border Patrol, where you actually go and ask Customs and Border Patrol to go check their records from who entered in an airport. There's lots of ways to.
You need an attorney.
There's lots of ways to figure it out. And by the way, what I've learned over time is that you get better results.
What?
Brad, please. We're gonna ignore Squeeze.
You get better results.
I have an issue, man. I sweat like a pig.
That's not the only issue you have. Okay, I'm trying to help Mikey Mike, and you are being vain.
I was not speaking. Go ahead.
You are being vain and
You're distracting
self-centered by making strongman muscle things into your own Facebook.
Strongman muscle things.
Yeah, I don't know what you call it. Posing? What is he doing?
Flexing.
Flexing.
His biceps.
Flexing his biceps. Yeah. Showing everybody how strong he is. In mind and body. But Mikey Mike, there's ways that we can help you, Mikey Mike. There's lots of ways we can help you. And by the way, what was in this is nothing other than lemon and water.
What?
All right, Andre's ready.
Everyone wants to know on Facebook.
Andre's ready. He's been waiting 5 minutes and 47 seconds.
Yes.
Patricia says you're healthy, Squeeze, because you sweat a lot.
Yeah, Squeeze.
Thank you.
Squeeze, should I take the call over here?
What?
Yes, you may take the call over here.
I was doing the squeeze legs.
I thought that was a weak dab.
That was the
gotta go.
Macho Man.
That was.
He's trying to do the Usain Bolt.
You gotta put your hands up.
I was just trying to.
Yeah. All right, so you may take Andre down.
Yes,
all right, 1-800-529-5465. Law offices of Spar and Bernstein answering the question. Mr.
Andre.
B.
Morning, Brad and Squeeze.
Morning.
Hey, good morning, sir.
Okay, so I have a few questions. The first one is, I have a friend who is married. His wife hasn't worked in 5 years. I don't know if she wants to work or not, but she hasn't worked in 5 years. Can the filing still go through without any issues?
Well, there's no issue. She doesn't work. She doesn't work. She just needs an affidavit of support from a second person. So whenever you're not working or you're below the poverty level, you get an affidavit of support from a second person. It all works. It's fine.
So on the affidavit of support, but she will still required to do an affidavit of support as well?
Yes. Even though she's not working, she still has to do it.
Okay.
Right.
My other question is, can you file for if your children are here visiting on summer holiday, can you file for them here and then send them back?
Yeah, why not?
They're on visitor's visa, I presume.
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Does it matter if he's a resident, a green card, or citizenship?
No, as long as they don't overstay, send them back.
Okay. Which one will take longer?
Okay, say I'm a green card holder and my wife, who is a citizen, is the one doing the filing.
They can go back or they can stay here and adjust, whatever makes you happy.
So under what condition would she do the filing? As if they're here or if they're back in Jamaica?
Are they here right now?
They're here on holidays, yes.
Okay, so if they stay here 90 days, you would file an adjustment for them here.
But they should stay 90, at least.
Correct, before you file for them.
Okay. My final question is...
Final question.
Do you have to stay... Is it that you stay married for 3 years before you can file for your citizenship, or...
No, you have to have a green card for 3 years. It has nothing to do with the length of your marriage. It's the length of the time you've had a green card.
The length of the green card. Okay,
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Hold on, before you go, my brother. Hello? Put it back on.
Put it back. Hello? Andre. Squeeze out a question for you.
Andre.
Yes, Squeeze.
I'm just saying this could be, well, it is a complex process, and you don't want anything to fall off the line while doing this. I suggest that at least you come in and see Brad. All right?
Absolutely.
Trust me on this one. I have seen these cases get screwed up, especially when the children are involved in all of that. All right?
Okay, no problem.
So just hang tough for a minute, and he's going to set up an appointment for you to come in and see him.
All right, so Squeeze.
Yes, sir.
Let's, it's a 1:45. We have Carmela joined us to talk about
Who is Carmela?
How she saves people tens and tens of thousands of dollars.
Is she an attorney?
She is an attorney.
Good morning.
So
Good morning, Carmela.
She saves people tens and tens of thousands of dollars. But before we get to Carmela, we have to discuss USA Credit Repair.
Excellent company.
It's an excellent company.
Yes.
I agree with you.
Excellent
it is
company.
Fabulous company. This company is so fabulous that without USA Credit Repair, we would not be here today. I don't know if the world would exist, but certainly the Brad and Squeeze show would not. What do you want me to do?
You scoot over a little bit.
I was on a roll, and now you want me to scoot.
We don't want to get all three of you in the camera.
And Squeeze, could you also move your laptop a little bit?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get him in the picture.
And Squeeze, can you just bend down a little bit, please?
Yeah, can you lower your seat just a tad?
Lower your seat a little bit.
You're overshadowing Carmela.
So anyway, USA Credit Repair I was on a roll. What do these people do again? I don't even know. What do they do?
You got to check their
I'm
website.
assuming they fix your credit.
No, yes, we fix badcredit.com. So when you have bad credit, and bad credit is anything below 700, it's very, very bad once it's below 700.
It's ugly.
It is bad. But you can get good credit again by just one telephone call. Would you know that telephone number? I happen to have it in my hand.
I know it.
I have the number in my hand.
Just for
Who
for disclaiming purposes, and according to my attorney and the firm that I've actually retained,
yes,
you can't just get good credit by making one phone call. So I just wanted to expound a little bit on that because we have to be very transparent and clear. According to my attorneys, say that you must be very clear.
That is very true. It's not. It's one phone call could start you on the pathway.
Right.
To good credit.
Right.
I have the number in my hand.
I memorized it.
I don't have it memorized, but I have it in my hand.
It took him 20 years to memorize his
This
own
is the
phone
number,
mind you.
This is the number for USA Credit Repair. It is this number that can change the world. The world gets good credit. You know what? If Donald Trump was smart, he would just give everybody good credit. The banks would lend money. It would be a really good economy. Right? He should try instead
that would collapse the economy.
That would collapse the economy.
Yes, it would.
He would be giving money away to people who will never pay it back.
Exactly.
Yes.
All right, so maybe not such a good idea. But I do have the number in my hand for USA Credit Repair. They will repair your credit, and they will make your credit whole again. They will give you a number that is real for your situation. Too many times people get bad credit, and it's not their fault.
Yep.
And they're the ones getting penalized. So you should stop being
Say that word again.
penalized. Penalized.
Say that word, Carmela.
Penalized.
Penalized.
Is it penalized or
I
penal?
thought it was penalized, but I could be wrong.
I don't ever say the word penal and I in the same sentence. That's why I say penalized.
I can.
Okay? If you say penal and I in the same sentence, it just sounds bad.
Let's proceed.
It's penalized.
May we proceed?
And the telephone number for USA Credit Repair is 1-800-872-7177. That's 1-800-872-7177. If you take out your phone right now and call them, Zenmar and Samoy are standing by to speak with you about your credit issues and tell you that if they can help you within 90 days of getting your credit repaired and if they don't, your money back. 1-800-872-7177. That's USA Credit Repair. They are our proud sponsors here. They do a great job. Give them a call, 1-800-872-7177. 1-800-872-7177. Call USA Credit Repair right now, 1-800-872-7177. I see we have Carmela here. I think
we just must remind people, conditions apply.
Conditions apply.
Yes.
Whatever that means.
It simply means, people call up with bankruptcy and tax liens and
apply.
judgments, and they simply think that, oh, well, you said it's 99 to remove all those things. It doesn't work like that. Sometimes we have to refer you to Carmela.
Yes.
Okay, so that Carmela can take care of your tax issues. You understand? So conditions do apply.
Yes.
All right? And Carmela is great for that. And that's the reason why I'm very happy. Do you know how many people have come to the law office at Spar and Bernstein, seen Carmela, and then after they take care of their tax liens, Carmela sent them over and said, go see Squeeze.
So just to make it clear, Carmela's law office is Spar and Bernstein.
Exactly.
USA Credit is
USA Credit.
Yes.
Right. So what do you do here at Spar and Bernstein?
Carmela.
You cut people's tax returns down. You cut it down like a boxer, like Mike Tyson.
More than that.
Like Mike Tyson cut down Leon Spinks.
Well,
right?
I save people who owe a lot of money in taxes.
Myself on that one?
No, I watched the highlights.
Yeah, like Mike Tyson cuts down Leon Spinks. That's what she does. Cuts the taxes.
So people that owe thousands of dollars and that cannot afford to pay the taxes, what I do in my office is I am able to obtain settlements, so to save the taxpayers thousands of dollars.
So give me 2 examples of what you've done.
Sure. I had a client that owed about $55,000 in taxes.
And the IRS is calling them and making them crazy and saying go on payment plans, or you keep maybe not even be able to renew your passport. Who knows?
Oh well, this person, he was a driver, so his license was suspended. As well.
Right.
So he was really in severe case. So he owed about $55,000 in taxes, and I recently obtained a settlement for $500.
Squeeze. Every day I hear this. It's just mind-boggling.
This is very true.
This is a very miraculous law firm when it comes to tax
He owed
settlements.
$55,000 in taxes.
Yes.
And Carmela said, "Oh, now you owe $500."
Yes.
It's unbelievable.
Outstanding.
How do I get this deal?
It's not for everyone, but you have to
everyone.
qualify.
I want that deal
Conditions
too.
apply.
Conditions apply.
Yes, I like that term. It's conditions apply.
All right. So for everybody out there, we only have time for actually one because we have a couple of calls and we got to get to social media too. But for everybody out there who has a tax issue, you just heard Carmela cut somebody's tax returns down who was a driver, had his license suspended. I mean, he was far down that path of spiraling out of control or already totally out of control. Give Carmela a call. It's absolutely free to speak to her, and she will let you know whether you have the right conditions to cut your taxes down substantially. And by the way, when that happens, your credit goes up.
Yes.
All right? It's a good thing. It's not a bad thing.
Translation.
And also I want to emphasize, because I also am starting to maintain these clients that own businesses. You owe taxes for businesses, or your business is dissolved, business does not exist anymore, you can still have the opportunity to qualify for offering compromise application.
Because what happens is your business was good one year, the next year it's not good. You still owe all those taxes.
Correct.
Those taxes don't go away.
Correct. Yes.
Call Carmela right now. It's a free call. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465.
Maybe Carmela can answer that earlier question.
Well,
yes.
Which question?
Well, let me just, guys, I'm sorry. Let me just give out a number, please. I beg of you all.
Okay.
For Carmela, because, and let me put it very simple. I know Carmela just went in detail with the example. Great.
Wait. I have Anthony, Carmela's tax client
on
the phone.
That's
Can I?
Yeah, let's speak to Anthony. We only have 3 minutes.
Okay, so some people are switching right now going into work, and I shouldn't give out the number?
Anthony.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning, Carmela.
Good morning, Anthony.
Good morning. I call to see what a great job Carmela did for me. I was owing some tax like $23,000, and Carmela did get a settlement for me. A total of like $4,000. Carmela got a settlement for me for $400.
So you turned $23,000 into $400.
$400.
And you're a real person. You're not a robot. Right? You're a real live person who owed $23,000.
Unbelievable.
Yeah,
that is true.
Unbelievable.
What do you say to everybody out there who owes taxes?
Unbelievable.
Go to tax. Go to Carmela.
All right.
Now, but on a serious note, though, let me jump in here because I am more than the voice of reasoning. I am the fact check person here. Okay. Now, how long ago did you come to Carmela? Quickly.
Sometime late last year.
Okay, and you came to her. You came to her. Why? Be specific, quickly.
Because I heard the show on the radio and what a great tax lawyer Carmela was.
Good so far. Okay, and now what did you bring into her to show and demonstrate that you owed all this money to the IRS, to the government?
I bring my old paperwork.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And your taxes as well.
All right. So let's get the number quickly. Let's get
1-800. Okay. 1-800. I was getting somewhere with that. But,
that's all right.
All right. So we're running out of time. Yeah. All right. The number to call right now, and I'm going to check anybody. Listen. Anybody that owes the IRS or owes the state money, call this number right now. All right. Especially if it's over
$5,000.
$5,000. Yes. Okay, if you owe the IRS, if you owe the government more than $5,000, you will get a 100% free consultation. Free. Just call 1-800-529-5465. I have seen miraculous cases with Carmela, the tax attorney here at Spar Bernstein, all right, where she has saved thousands of dollars, in some cases hundreds. 1-800 1-800-529-5465. Call now. Off the air. Free consultation. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-5... Am I too loud? 1-800-529-5465. Carmela is getting off the radio now, and she's going to take your calls. Maybe you owe the government a ton load of money. Maybe you have not filed your taxes. Many of you want to file for your green card and file for someone, but you haven't filed your taxes. Carmela can also file your taxes. 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Give Carmela, our tax attorney here at Spar and Bernstein, a call.
Good job,
All right,
Carmela.
thank you, Brad.
I like both of those. For 23,000
Excellent.
55,000
Excellent day.
Thank you,
I
Brad.
like it.
Excellent.
Thank you, Anthony, for calling in as well.
All right, let's go to social media. We got about 90 seconds.
Okay, Nola
Okay.
Bourne. Good morning, Brad. My family and I met in a casino bus accident last week. What do you think we should do?
Call me
The
immediately.
casino was wrong. Okay.
The bus is wrong. Call me immediately, and we will help you no matter what your status is. We just signed up a client.
Now, if you're in any accident, you should call Spar and Bernstein.
We just signed up a client. We just signed up a client who was in a construction accident. His most terrifying thing is he's out of status. You're still entitled to all those benefits.
Absolutely.
All of those benefits, and we're gonna protect him. So call us immediately.
Spar and Bernstein.
Okay, good morning. I have a friend who's married to a citizen for 3 months now. He wants to send off the paperwork to start the filing, but the wife abandoned him and he needs her tax return. Now he has no contact for her. What should he do?
Well, you don't file anything if the wife abandons you because you need more than a tax return. You need a wife to show up to an interview or you're going to be denied. So he should come in and see us and see what other options he's
Do you have to get a credit card to build your credit?
Not necessarily, but it's a good start to get a secured one.
All right, that's all we have for social media.
1-800-529-5465. We got about 30 seconds before we conclude the show. I want to remind you that we'll be returning at 12 noon today. And people, please text, spread the word, do all of that stuff. You know, tell them to tune in to us at 12 noon right here on 93.5 WVIP FM and also on social media on Facebook, David Squeeze Annakie, Law Offices Spar and Bernstein. On YouTube, Spar and Bernstein, 1-800-529-5465, 1-800-529-5465. Brad and Squeeze, the attorney and the... Trying to figure that out. 1-800-529-5465. 1-800-529-5465. Let's make it legal.
The attorney and the man. You're the man. You are the man.
The proceeding was informational only and not specific legal advice. Consult an attorney about your individual situation. Prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome in the future. To make an appointment with the Spar and Bernstein Law Firm located at 225 Broadway in New York City, call 1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-529-5465. Easily remembered, 1-800-LAWLINK. That's 1-800-LawLink. Once again, make a call to 1-800-529-5465. And, of course, link up with the law offices of Spar and Bernstein located at 225 Broadway on the 5th floor. If I were you out there, make the call, make the link, make the connection, make it Spar and Bernstein. 1-800-LawLink. That's 1-800-529-5465.
Well, that's why it's funny. I told Rosanna, I said, everybody comes on for 5 minutes now. It's not a 30-minute